Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best OnPay alternatives. If you're running a small to mid-sized business, you know how crucial a reliable payroll system is. OnPay is great, but based on my experience, there are several top-tier alternatives that might offer a better fit for your specific needs, whether more comprehensive HR, better pricing, or deeper integrations. I've personally looked at and used a few of these, and here are the top 3 I recommend, focusing purely on what they deliver. Choose Gusto for the best blend of affordability, ease of use, and HR management for a growing small business. Choose QuickBooks Payroll if you value flawless integration with your existing QuickBooks accounting. Choose Rippling if you need a scalable, all-in-one platform that combines payroll, HR, and IT for a complex or global team. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.